Alright everyone, let's install Laravel. I'm at the laravel.com and we're going to use the version 7 to install Laravel. Before we can start to use that, this is the command that you're going to run. Now let's open up your terminal. The Laravel needs Composer, so you type in Composer to make sure that you have Composer installed in your system. Hit enter. In my case here, I have Composer installed on my machine. If you use Manjaro like I do, and if you don't have Composer installed yet, this is the command that you're going to run. Sudo pacman and then dash capital S followed by Composer. So this is the command that you're going to run in order to install Composer on your system. So where you're going to install your Laravel, in my case I'm going to install it on my desktop. You can create your project anywhere on your machine, but in this video I'm going to create it on my desktop. So let's get into the desktop. We're going to create directory called Laravel 1 on our desktop. Let's navigate in that. If you already have Composer installed on your machine, so the next command that you're going to run is this command. Copy that, pass it in, hit enter. Alright, the first command is run already, but seems like we have a little bit of the problem right here. When we run the command Composer and we have PHP warning, PHP startup unable to load dynamic library called pedio_dblib is no such file directory. Let's fix that problem. I'm going to run the command sudo vim and then etc php in php ini. We're going to get rid of that warning. So at the line 926 is where you're going to do, I press I and semicolon just to comment this out to make sure that it's not going to show me any warning again. So I press escape :WQ, quit the file, and the next command I'm going to type in sudo systemctl httpd and hit enter. Alright, now let's run Composer again if we have that warning. Okay, see that the error warning is already gone. Okay, fix that. So the next command we're going to run is actually, I tried this one but it's not worked earlier. So let's copy this one. Composer create project. Copy that and then pass this in, but I'm not going to create the folder, right? So the block, the word block will create the folder inside of Laravel 1 folder that we already have. So I don't need that, so just press dot and then I hit enter. Let's install Laravel into this folder. Alright, our Laravel is already installed. If I list it up, you see that we have many folders right here and also the files right here. So if you come up with something like this, it means your Laravel is already installed, so you're good to go. Now to run it, you're going to do PHP artisan serve and then hit enter. You're going to see something like this. So all you have to do by now is press Ctrl and then click on the link here. Your Laravel is already installed and you good to go by now. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.